Hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. So this is a general love reading from 1st of March till 15th of March. We will see what your energy will be and your partner's energy will be and the outcome will be, okay? So right now your partner's energy is the 9 of Pentacles. I feel like your partner is working on working on themselves right now. They are not talking to you maybe. They are focused on their money, their business, their own career, their own personal growth, their spirituality, whatever it is. Right now your partner's focus is on themselves only. Right now they might not be communicating with you. What I feel from the spread is there might be some kind of breakup or something like that. There was some kind of conflicts going on, and that is why this person right now is heavily focused on themselves only. Okay, your energy right now is the moon, Aries. You are fearing the unknown. Basically what I feel is, Aries, you are fearing the unknown. You are being secretive. You are not opening up to this person. You are not maybe able to make them understand how you are feeling right now. You are acting little mysterious, little secretive. Not little, I feel like you are acting like that, little secretive, and manipulative energy is also there. So basically you are trying to manipulate everything that is happening in this relationship. Sorry. So you are acting secretive to them. You are not opening up to them. You are being like, okay, if this person is going away from me, let it be. I don't want to follow them. I don't want to beg from them, or I don't want to say anything to them right now. Just if they want to, if they want to leave you, if they want to leave me, just leave them alone. This is the ego talking, Aries. This is the ego talking. What I feel is you want this person in your life, but your mind, your subconscious mind, your conscious mind, I think, is not letting you do what you want to do with this person. Okay, you love this person, I feel that, but your ego is hurting somewhere, and that is why you are behaving like this. You are acting weird, acting secretive, and acting as a manipulator right now. How they see you? The Wheel of Fortune. Right now your person is thinking that universe will decide whatever will happen with this connection. Universe will decide. I am not going to force into something, force into relationship, force into the thing that they don't want with me. Maybe, Aries, this person maybe proposed you in the past and you denied it, and you said no to them, and you were not ready maybe. But now this person is this person is maybe this person is acting single now. Maybe they are not now they are not ready for commitment and relationship, because I feel like this person proposed you in the past and you rejected them. Now they are acting like you, and now you are acting like them. I feel like this. Okay, how you see this person? You see this person as a magician. The magician is a kind of manipulator as well, cunning as well, smart as. They feel like you feel like your person is cunning. They are manipulator. They can manipulate thing into anything. They can easily make a fool of you, and you feel like this person cheated on you. Maybe some kind of cheating energy is there, or else you feel like your person is a magician who can manifest anything in their life. This is a positive side, but I feel like you are thinking very very negative about this person right now. You are feeling like your person cheated on you. They are a manipulator. They are not the good person for you. So basically these type of subconscious fear you have for this person right now. What they feel about this relationship right now is a 10 of swords. They feel like this relationship has no potential in future, so maybe they ended it. So I feel like you guys might broke up with each other, and this relationship ended on a very very bad note in the past, maybe in Fab. So basically this person feels like this relationship is over, or on the positive note, they feel like the worst is over in this relationship and there will be a new beginning soon. I feel like there will be a new beginning soon in this relationship from the rest of the spread. Okay, how you feel in this relationship? This is the 5 of wands energy. I feel like there's lots of internal conflict going on within you right now, Aries, and you are not able to understand how to come out of this conflict, how to interact with your partner, how to tell them how you are feeling right now, how to tell them that you love them, you miss them. So there's lots of internal conflict going on between you guys as well. and inside you as well and inside them as well, and I feel like there was a huge fight between you guys, and that leads to breakup thing from both of the parties. Okay, what they want from this relationship, this is the 10 of wands energy. They feel like they are having lots of responsibility. They feel that you are responsible for all the miseries, all the sorrows, all the regrets in their life. So basically they were feeling burdened in this relationship, and that is why they chose to walk away from you or from this relationship. And that is why they feel like this burden should be uplifted from their shoulders, and that's what they want from this relationship right now, from this connection right now. They want this relationship to be light and hearty and happy and joyous, but the opposite is happening. That is why I feel like they broke up with you or they are walking away from this relationship. What you want from this relationship is the Ace of Pentacles energy. You want a new beginning in this relationship. You want a new stable beginning with this person again. So what I feel is, Aries, you have lots of emotions for this person. You feel for this person, but your ego is not letting you go there and talk to them. Okay, that is what is happening, because from your side you want a new beginning with this relationship, a stable and honest and loyal relationship with this person. But I don't feel you are going to talk to them uh, in the near future as well. Okay, so right now they are feeling like they want this burden to be uplifted from their shoulders, and you want a new beginning with this person. This is what is happening. The outcome from their side is the Eight of Cups energy is there, so they are walking away from you. Yes, they are walking away from you because they think that this relationship is over. This person has nothing to do with me, and now I have to walk away from this relationship. No matter how hard I feel for them, for my Aries, no matter what I say to my Aries, this relationship is over now, and I have to walk away from this relationship. So finally, they are gathering the courage to go away from you or walk away from you, or this connection, Aries, they are walking away from you. But I feel like they are not feeling good about this thing. Okay, the outcome from your side is the Seven of Cups. What I feel is you want a, maybe you are manifesting this person back in your life, and you want a new beginning in this relationship, or you are manifesting a past person in your life. It is what I feel is a past person is coming to you as well, and there's lots of options that you have in love relationship. Lots of options you have in for all kind of relationship, whether it is just for friendship or friends with benefits, or a long term committed relationship, or whatever it is. But I feel like you are looking for other options as well. With this Ace of Pentacles, you are manifesting a new beginning, maybe a new person in your life, and deep down inside, you are manifesting this person also. You are manifesting a beginning with this person also. But I feel like everything is over between you guys, between both the parties right now. I don't feel like there is a future with this particular person. Maybe this was a karmic relationship, and it made you learn so many lessons. It made your person learn so many lessons, and now this is over. You learned your lessons, and now you guys are like, you are looking for other options. You are looking for other people around you. You are manifesting a good relationship with somebody else, maybe, or some past person. Maybe some past person is coming to you, because there is energy present here in the potential outcome. So I feel like this, because you broke up with this person, this could also be a past person now. Okay, but you are manifesting a new beginning with somebody or someone whom you think. The potential outcome for this relationship with this particular person is the Two of Cups. This is a very beautiful energy. This is a soulmate connection that you have with this person. This is a Six of Cups energy also. So this person loves you. This person feels nostalgic about you. You guys have a past life connection, maybe you can say, or you guys have lots of memories together, and that is why this person is not able to let you go for completely. Okay, this is the Judgment card. This is a reconciliation card as well. The energy of reconciliation is present in March. So might be this person will connect with you in March again. By 15th of March they will connect with you, and they would like to offer you something very very beautiful, like it was in the past. And this connection has the potential to become a very very beautiful and spiritual connection, soulful connection, if you allow it to be. Okay, Aries, So basically it is like the energy of they are walking away from you right now, but deep down they want you back. They want the happy memories back. They know this is a soulful connection. You both feel like that. If not this person, if not this person, somebody from the past, somebody from your past is coming to you and offering you these beautiful cups, beautiful energy, beautiful memories. So basically somebody from the past is coming to you. This person, I feel like there is two-person story here. I feel like somebody is walking away and someone is coming back. This is the feeling that I am getting from this reading right now. So somebody is walking away from this relationship, and you are starting. You are having a new beginning, maybe with some other person in the near future. That is what is happening. I hope you will get what you want. But this person from your past, whosoever it is, you are going to feel like an instant connection with this person, Aries, and you guys are going to enjoy a lot with each other. You are going to feel like, yes, this is my soulmate, uh, this is my soulful connection that I was wishing for from a long time. Oh, this is the King of Wands energy. This is going to be a very, very passionate encounter from your side. This is King of Wands and Queen of Wands. Both of these parties are there. King and Queen both are there. This is going to be very sexy, very, very good. And maybe what I can feel is there is going to be a physical encounter from both the parties, and that is going to be very steamy, very spicy from your both the parties, and that is going to make you very, very happy. I feel like this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, from another deck I have this card for you. This is a karmic relationship. I think the karmic relationship is over, and now the past person will come back to you and you guys will rock and roll. Okay. So this is the karmic relationship. This is fleeting triggers, turmoil, resentment, lessons, letting go, and loving you. I think this is the end of a karmic relationship and the start of a new beautiful soulmate connection in your life. Okay. I told you there's attraction, flirting, dating, hooking up, temptation. Seduction is there. Aries, seduction is there. Okay. Seduction is there. So I think this was not enough for you. This relationship was ended. This was a karmic relationship that ended, and some past person is coming back to you and making you feel good, and you guys are having a seductive time, and you guys are enjoying each other. Because the past relationship was not enough, you were frustrated in the relationship. There was lack of confidence, self sabotage, fear, ego issues, jealousy, because this energy was present there. And this energy was present because this was a karmic relationship. Okay. Now the past person, whosoever is coming to your life, this person and you are going to feel intense chemistry, seductive energy, sexual energy, physical energy, and you are going to enjoy with this person a lot. Yeah. Yeah. And the bottom of the deck is the coffin. Okay. So this is endings bring new beginnings, growth, change, liberation, transition. This is the coffin energy present for you guys. Okay. So this ending is going to make you happy. I feel I feel like the burden is over from you now, and you are going to liberate yourself from this karmic relationship, and you are going to enter into a soulful and soulmate connection very soon after this ending. Wow. So yeah, that's all about your love life, Aries, till mid of March. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. This is Anjali Tarot. Do subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you. Yeah. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste, Aries. Namaste.